First question is the Hathei Chili Festival was organized by which state? A. Manipur, B. Nagaland, C. West Bengal, D. Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is the B. Nagaland. The next question is the where has India's largest sports complex been inaugurated? A. Indore, Madhya Pradesh, B. Ahmedabad, Gujarat, C. Patna, Bihar, D. Jaipur, Rajasthan. Correct answer is the B. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Next question is the India's largest sports complex has been inaugurated by whom? A. Home Minister Amit Shah है, B. PM नरेंद्र मोदी, C. Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia, D. Draupadi Murmu. The correct answer is the PM Narendra Modi. Next question is the when is World Ozone Day celebrated? 16 September, B. 17 September, C. 16 August, D. 17 August. The correct answer is the A. 16 September. Next question is the theme of World Ozone Day is from science to global action, our power, our planet, beat plastic pollution, glacier preservation. The correct answer is the A. From science to global action. Next question is the who has become the new sponsor company of the Indian cricket team? A. Reliance Digital, B. Tata Group, C. Apollo Tyres, D. Oppo. The correct answer is the C. Apollo Tyres. Next question is the which countries launched the trilateral exercise Freedom Aged? A. United States, Japan, Australia, B. Japan, United States, South Korea, C. South Korea, India, Japan, D. South Korea, India, Australia. Correct answer is the B. Japan, United States and South Korea. Next question is the exercise Pacific Ridge 2025 is conducted in which country? A. Australia, B. Japan, C. Singapore, D. Malaysia. The correct answer is the C. Singapore. Next question is the which Indian diving sports vessel will participate in exercise Pacific Ridge 2025? A. INS Tarkus, B. INS Teg, C. INS Nistar, D. INS Nilgiri. The correct answer is the C. INS Nistar. Next question is the who inaugurated the 60th Armed Force Conference? A. PM Narendra Modi, B. Draupadi Murmu, C. Chief of Defence, D. General Upendra Dwivedi. The correct answer is the A. PM Narendra Modi. Next question is the where has inaugurated the 60th Armed Force Conference? A. New Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Lucknow, D. Bengaluru. The correct answer is the B. Kolkata. Next question is what is the New Delhi transaction limit of UPI? A. 1 lakh, B. 5 lakh, C. 10 lakh, D. 15 lakh. Correct answer is the C. 10 lakh. Next question is which medal has been won by the यहाँ पे मेटल नहीं मेडल विच मेडल हैज़ बीन वोन बाय द इंडियन वुमेन्स हॉकी टीम इन द एशिया कप 2025? ए. गोल्ड मेडल, बी. सिल्वर मेडल, सी. ब्रॉन्ज मेडल, डी. नन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज द बी. सिल्वर मेडल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द Hornbill Festival has been awarded which award in the Best Cultural Music and the Best category? A. Bronze Heritage Medal, B. Golden Bunyan Award, C. Silver Bunyan Award, D. Golden People Award. The correct answer is the C. Silver Bunyan Award. The next question is in which state is the Hornbill Festival celebrated? A. Manipur, B. Assam, C. Mizoram, D. Nagaland. The correct answer is the D. Nagaland. Next question is the Lake Newton that was recently in news is located on the border between two nations? A. Kenya and Tanzania. B. Tanzania and Sudan. C. Ethiopia and Kenya. D. Uganda and Sudan. The correct answer is the A. Kenya and Tanzania. Second question is the Madhya Pradesh government is planning to introduce a मिडल की जगह फीमेल आएगा, फीमेल चीता इन विच वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी? ए. काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क. बी. बांधवगढ़ नेशनल पार्क. सी. पेरियार वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. डी. गांधी सागर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. द करेक्ट आंसर इज द डी. गांधी सागर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द अंडर विच प्रोजेक्ट इज देयर ए प्लान टू ब्रिंग फीमेल चीता टू मध्य प्रदेश? ए. प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर. बी. प्रोजेक्ट चीता. सी. प्रोजेक्ट स्नो लेपर्ड. डी. प्रोजेक्ट फीमेल चीता. द करेक्ट आंसर इज द बी. प्रोजेक्ट चीता. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द इन विच इंडियन नेशनल पार्क वर फीमेल चीता इंट्रोड्यूस अंडर प्रोजेक्ट चीता? ए. बांधवगढ़ नेशनल पार्क. बी. गिर नेशनल पार्क. सी. कूनो नेशनल पार्क. डी. गांधी सागर नेशनल पार्क. The correct answer is the C. Kuno National Park. Next question is the from which continent will the female cheetah Dhira be brought under Project Cheetah? South Africa, Namibia, Sudan, Ethiopia. Correct answer is the A. South Africa. Next question, who was awarded the ASME Holy Medal for Engineering Excellence? बाबा नीलनाथ कल्याणी, सुंदर पिचाई, सत्य नडल, विनोद धाम. द करेक्ट आंसर इज द ए. बाबा नीलकांत कल्याणी. थैंक यू.